我操！
往这边挤的。
对。哦，够死了！我操！别闹了，操大哥！我走，喂！怪死的辣椒。
妈，快给我钱！快给我钱！快给我钱！挣了啊！你妈逼！挣了啊！不知道谁买的。我靠！
好吧。
老大，要走的。
哇！他实现过来的。
态度问题啊，就是睁眼儿我就睁，就是能看清楚啊，就是你们的问题。那好吧，我们继续关注吧。
feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?